The 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐞𝐝 Fireproof is the perfect solution for transporting welding cylinders and cutting torches. This cart is designed with 2 tank compartments that are equipped with heavy-duty ratchet straps to ensure that everything stays in place during transport. The open-top storage tray is perfect for storing smaller tools and accessories, and the included brackets securely hold the cutting torch and hose in place, constructed with welded steel and a powder coat finish. The 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧 torch cart Fireproof is both sturdy and durable. The large wheels and sturdy handles make it extremely portable and easy to move around your work area. Whether you're working in a busy fabrication shop or you need a reliable way to transport your welding equipment to remote locations, the 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧 torch cart Fireproof is the perfect solution. Certified MTP has the right equipment for your accurate representative sampling needs. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.